The whole market is in shock today. Shiba Inu's price goes through a massive correction. People are speculating. What is the reason for this? However, massive things happened today. Coinbase just shocked everyone. Around $81 million in just a day. But Coinbase CEO just pointed something out. And this could potentially bring back the hype for Shiba Inu. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Wait, what just happened? Today feels straight up bizarre for Shiba Inu. Just yesterday, things were looking incredible. Shiba Inu's price was skyrocketing, pulling off some jaw-dropping gains over the past week. It wasn't just some small pump. It was the kind of move that had the whole community buzzing. People were hyped. Charts were looking green. And for the first time in a while, it really felt like Shiba Inu was back in action, ready to reclaim its former glory. It wasn't just another random price jump. No, this one had weight. It was recovering losses from the past 7 days, breaking resistance levels, and making people think, all right, this is it. This is finally the breakout we've been waiting for. After all the dips, all the consolidations, all the times Shiba Inu teased a rally and then stalled, yesterday actually felt different. The energy was high, people were celebrating, and social media was filled with excitement. And then, today happened. Shiba Inu's price didn't just cool off a little, it crashed. Hard. Almost a 10% drop in just 24 hours. It's like the market pulled a complete 180 overnight, flipping the entire mood upside down. Yesterday, people were talking about new highs and potential breakouts. Today, it's nothing but red candles and frustration. It's a brutal sight for anyone who was feeling optimistic just hours ago. But what really makes this sting is how it happened. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the fact that the community got completely baited. It felt like Shiba Inu was finally breaking free, finally proving the doubters wrong, finally giving holders that moment of validation. The hype was real, until it wasn't. Instead of blasting off, it tanked, leaving people shocked and disappointed. That kind of emotional whiplash is tough to handle. One moment, you're convinced the bull run is here, and the next, you're staring at a massive dip, wondering what went wrong. And let's be real, this isn't just frustrating. It's exhausting. Shiba Inu holders have been through this cycle so many times. The pumps, the fake-outs, the sudden crashes, it's like a never-ending roller coaster. And while the long-term believers will say this is just part of the game, it doesn't change the fact that it hurts to see so much excitement turn into disappointment in just one day. You might be wondering, what just happened? Why is Shiba Inu suddenly tanking after such an exciting run? Well, to figure that out, we need to zoom out and check on the king of crypto, Bitcoin. And yeah, Bitcoin just shocked everyone today. Yesterday, it was on fire, pumping like crazy and shooting up to a staggering 93K. People were celebrating, social media was flooded with hype, and it really felt like crypto was entering a whole new level. The reason? Donald Trump announced something huge, crypto reserves. That single announcement fueled a massive wave of buying, pushing the market higher and bringing a whole new level of excitement. But today, the tables turned hard. Bitcoin didn't just cool off, it crashed, dropping all the way down to 83K, a 10K drop in a single day. And funny enough, the reason for this sudden nosedive is also Donald Trump. One analyst broke it down, and it all comes back to a much bigger issue: global trade tensions. The total crypto market cap just got wrecked, losing nearly 12% and falling to 2.8 trillion. And the timing of this crash isn't random. It lines up perfectly with the US imposing fresh tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China. Here's the deal. The Trump administration just rolled out some serious trade tariffs. A 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, plus a 10% hit on energy products. And on top of that, another 10% slapped onto Chinese goods. These new rules kicked in on March 1st, and the market is not taking it well. Why does this matter for crypto? Because when global trade takes a hit, financial markets tend to freak out. Investors get nervous, equities start slipping, and that uncertainty spills over into crypto. And that's exactly what's happening today. Stocks are struggling, Bitcoin is crashing, and of course, Shiba Inu and the rest of the market are feeling the heat. But wait, while all this craziness is unfolding, something even wilder just happened. A mysterious whale just shocked the entire Shiba Inu community today, making a move that no one saw coming. Thanks to on-chain data from Arkham Intelligence, we now know that an unknown Shiba Inu whale made a huge deposit into Coinbase just 10 hours ago. And when we say huge, We mean massive. This whale sent nearly 175 billion Shiba Inu straight into the hot wallet of the biggest crypto exchange in the US. That's over $2.5 million worth of Shiba Inu just dropped in one go. The big question is, why? What made this massive Shiba Inu holder decide to move all their coins like this? Are they about to sell? Are they preparing for something bigger? Nobody knows. It's completely mysterious. And the timing couldn't be weirder, considering how chaotic the market already is today. And if that wasn't shocking enough, here's something even crazier. Another whale just flipped the entire market upside down. One analyst just revealed something insane. Someone shorted Ethereum at $3,200 with 50 times leverage. And now they're sitting on a mind-blowing $81 million in unrealized profit. Yeah, 81 million. That's not just a lucky trade. That's either the most genius move ever or something else entirely. Could this be an insider who knew something the rest of the market didn't? A calculated bet based on information we don't have? Either way, this is massive. And here's where it gets interesting for Shiba Inu. Moves like these, huge whale transactions, leveraged bets, and unpredictable price swings often set the stage for something big. This could mean volatility, a sudden reversal, or even a setup for something bigger down the line. There's even speculation that we could be seeing some level of manipulation happening in the market. Are whales playing the game while everyone else just reacts? It's possible. But of course, this is all just speculation. Right now, all we have are clues. A mysterious Shiba Inu whale making a massive deposit, an Ethereum short trade that's beyond suspicious, and a market that's in complete chaos. Whether this leads to something explosive or just fades into the noise, one thing's for sure. Something big is brewing. However, in the middle of all this chaos, Coinbase's CEO just dropped something massive, something that could actually be a game changer for Shiba Inu. He spoke about crypto asset allocation, and while he's still forming an opinion, his thoughts are pretty interesting. Right now, he's considering two main ideas. One is the simplest approach, just Bitcoin. In his view, Bitcoin alone would be the cleanest, most straightforward choice, kind of like the clear successor to gold. But the other option? That's where things get interesting. He also mentioned the idea of a market cap-weighted index of crypto assets, something that wouldn't favor just one coin, but instead spread exposure across the biggest players in the space. And that second option? That could be huge for Shiba Inu. If a major institution like Coinbase were to push for a broad crypto index, it wouldn't just be about Bitcoin anymore. It would mean recognition for other top assets, including Shiba Inu. And in times like these, when Shiba Inu is experiencing wild swings and uncertainty, that kind of institutional backing could be exactly what's needed to bring stability and credibility to the project. Of course, nothing is set in stone yet, and right now, the market is still dealing with all kinds of turbulence. But if Coinbase moves in this direction, it could be a massive turning point, not just for Bitcoin, but for Shiba Inu and the entire crypto space. And looking at the bigger picture, the Shiba Inu team has something to say to all investors. Despite all the chaos, all the price swings, and all the uncertainty, they're standing firm on one message: Shiba Inu will succeed. Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, stepped in to reassure the community after the brutal crypto market drop. She knows most Shiba Inu investors are feeling the pain right now, but she's not backing down. She believes that no matter what the charts say today, Shiba Inu is on the path to something much bigger. She didn't dive into specific reasons behind her optimism, but one thing is clear. Lucy has never wavered in her belief in Shiba Inu. In her eyes, it's not just another meme coin. The ecosystem is expanding, and the projects being built are all part of a much bigger vision. She believes these developments will drive adoption and could push Shiba Inu to heights that once seemed impossible. And here's where things get really interesting. The team isn't just thinking small, they're aiming for institutional recognition. They're actively pushing for a Shiba Inu ETF in the United States, which, if approved, would be a game changer. If that happens, it could change everything. The moment a government starts holding Shiba Inu as part of its reserves, the ripple effect could be massive. Other countries might follow suit, bringing Shiba Inu into a whole new league of legitimacy. So while today's price action might feel discouraging, the team isn't losing sight of the long game. They see Shiba Inu evolving, growing, and becoming more than just a meme. It's turning into a true force in the crypto world. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.